Hello everyone, in our today's video we are going to learn about the user input in Python. It is one of the most basic function in Python. User input stands for those values which we use from the user. Generally we use input as a command for entering a value from the user. Let us start our program now. Let us just write our program. At first let us just write our program. We are just creating some string. String is equals to, and just giving input of a string, enter your name, just taking a name of a user by using the input function. This is about the input function in Python. Let us run our code. Enter your name, then we can input our name. I am user for this program, and just I get a access to enter my name over here. I can enter my name, that is over here. This is due to the function we called here, because of the input function. Let us write some conceptual code by using the input functions. Let us print the square of user entered number using Python. We are just starting. At first we are printing the value enter, just taking in a new line, enter the number with enter a number to find its square. Let us take this number from the user. So number is made as a variable, and it must be of integer type number, and we are just taking up NUMBR number. So let us assign this as number is equals to integer type number entered from the user. Number is equals to integer type number entered from the user. We are done with our code. What happened? Number value is assigned with number is equals to integer type. We are inputting our value. Enter the number of a square, just using an input function. Then user will give us any number. Now we are printing double inverted code, the square of number the square of a number. We just use this bracket for getting a number in Python programming, and we are just using this bracket is dot of this format, which is our number, and just we are multiplying our we are just getting a square of number, so it is square of 15. The square of 15 is 225. We got our desired result over here. This is our first program. At first we just input the value, any number value, which square we want to calculate, and then we just printed the value of our user entered value is this is a result. So and just assessing it at a format is a special keyword used in order to assess the values. We have just assessed our values of a number and multiplied is calculated the square of the number over here. This is how we can print the square of a user entered number in a Python programming using the input function. Then input, we are writing our another code to input multiple number to find the maximum among them. Multiple number to find maximum among them. Yeah. For this we are at first we are just taking a value of n number is equals to, it must be an integer type number, and just we are getting the number from user. So how many number do you want to find maximum? How many numbers maximum do you want to find? We are just taking it from the user, and then we are assigning our some number variable as our array. These two bracket indicates we are using array, and then we are using our for loop for I, the value of I in, and we are giving a range. Our range is between 0 to n, 0 to user entered value. Yeah. Then we are just using another variable, let's type this is our element ele, and just input integer type input. We are taking integer type input over here. Input integer type value, integer type value, enter elements, enter elements elements. This is just for user to enter the different elements in a loop, because this will create a array, and in an array we can write multiple values. In a first address of an array we can write 1, and second 2 in this way. So we are just entering it over here, integer type, and just closing our bracket for integer type, and then we are just print the maximum, and we must access this to our number by using our append keyword, number to element. Append, and just we are appending it to element. Our number is now accessed to element by using this append keyword. So append is a keyword which is used in order to access one value of one variable to the value of another variable. Yeah, we are just accessing our value of num, that is our array, to the user entered number, as we are getting a user entered array over here. The maximum number in array is, we just use this sign and just use comma, maximum among the number. Yeah, maximum among the number. Now we are done with our code. Let us run our code to check what happened. Enter how many number do you want to find maximum. We are just entering 5 numbers values. Enter a element. Our first element is just, we don't need to use it over here, we are running. Yeah, how many number? 5 number. First element, second element as 13, third element as 15, fourth element 177, fifth and last element 1. Then it will calculate our maximum number in a list of from the list of our 5 array. Let us see. Among the 5 array, our maximum number from 12, 13, 15, 177 and 1 is 177. So 177 is printed over here as a maximum array. Since we have just written our code in order from a range of 0 to n number, we have entered a number 5. So the array, this function just create a number of a 5 array, and we have just assist this array function with our inter elements string, so that inter element is printed as much time the array is encountered. If we encounter the value of array as 100 times, then inter element, we must enter element 100 times, and among the hundreds of a number, the maximum number will be calculated over here. Now we are done with calculating the maximum number in a Python programming. This is our code by using the user input data. Yeah. Now we are doing our next program. Let us take input of sequence of. Let us take input of sequence of. Let us take input of sequence of counting character. Counting character. Just like if we write my name is Saroj, then this program must count our characters number, that is MYNAMEISSAROJ 13. There are 13 character and we must get a result 13. So we are just assessing it as sentence, NTENCE. We are assessing our sentence, the value of sentence, inputting our value INPUT, input our sentence from the user, enter the sentence. Yeah, enter the sentence. Now user will enter our sentence, and we are just encountering length as length function in order to calculate the length of our string, which is our object over here, length of our sentence value. Yeah. Now we are just printing the number of character, the number of character in sentence is, just use a bracket, and we are just assigning it from using our format. Yeah, from format. Yeah, that is our format of length as length value. It is inside our length value. Format is used in order to assess the values from previous values. We have used format many times over here. Format is also important in Python programming, and len is used in order to calculate the length over there. Len is used for a length. Yeah. Now we are running our program. It will create, it will just say enter the sentence. We are entering our sentence. My name is we are just entering our sentence. I love Python programming. I love Python programming. I love Python programming. Yeah, we are just entering our value. We have just entered I love Python programming. There are 25 character over here. Let us check. I for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 and 25. We just have a 25 character over here. This is about the, this is what we have done about the different type input functions. We have just called the input function. We at first we we calculated the square of a number by using the input function, and then we created array and find the maximum among the array by using the input functions or the append keyword, and we just encountered a range over there. That was our another concept, and at last we just calculate a sequence of a number and find out the length of a string by using the keyword length. Thank you for watching our video. Keep watching us. We will upload our next video soon. Thank you.